Assalamu alaikum everyone. I've never really heard of MEMECOIN before, but today I think I'm just going to actually give it a try and see what's going on with MEME. So let's get into it. Alright, so on Binance we have a few data. I'm going to actually search if there's any more data on MEXC or something. So it does look like it's pretty much similar on all these different exchanges. So I personally kind of like the MEXC image here more than the Binance one. I just don't know, the pattern on the MEXC does look a little bit better. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to show you that there's a place where we are breaking above here for MEMECOIN here. Okay, so you're pretty much trying to move back up. So what I'm going to do is actually place it right there, and you had this one resistance and a move down, you had the second resistance, a move down, and there was a clear break and a very nice good bullish closing as well. So I'm gonna go in here, show you in detail, and yes, you can see this was a bullish closing. There was a little bit of a retest and the stop loss was swiped away. So the question is, in the next 9 minutes, at least for now, from the time that I'm recording, can you actually just push back up like this, or in the next 4 hours try to push back up? That's going to be very, very, very good. Now on the 1 hour time frame, let me actually see what are the odds of this thing pushing back up. Now here's the thing, you may actually try, and this is known as the bank trading system. So what is the bank trading system? You see, the banks don't really wait for a certain confirmation. Now, number one, you did have this little bit of ascending broadening wedge, or it's the opposite of a falling wedge, and this was a bearish pattern where you broke below and you came to the technical target. So this pattern, this one right here, has already played out because you went down. Okay, secondly, what I don't know is that if in the next 8 minutes actually, or the next coming few hours, you do go back up here, and if you do go back up to 0.043292, that will be very, very, very good. That will actually mean that probably the retest has already happened, because I do believe that there was some stop loss here, some stop loss there, some stop loss probably here, and they have been swiped away, and maybe after taking the stop loss you may actually find the fuel to move to the upside. At least for now. If you do end up taking in a trade and you want to try, you can put a stop loss down at 7 for a 7.8% risk, but I'm not going to take that much of a risk, even though it's not even very confirmed, because as far as I'm concerned, the retest may not have been happening right now, but I kind of have a feeling, because of how the market looks like, that you're moving to the upside. So let's just say if you do come up to 0.043, right, this may actually increase my confidence that it's time to push up all the way to from there to there. So if you're watching this video in the future, you could be looking for 0.063, and that's going to be another move from there to there. We're talking about 55%. It's possible. Finger crossed. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.